Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
At the New Jersey hub, we bore witness to a clash of diminutive giants in the under-11 category, a matchup poised to etch in memory. Dream Cricket Drona Star Strikers vs Star Sports Warriors, wickets of wonder against bats of thunder.
And what a thunderous encounter it was. The verdant field, a battleground for youthful zest and cricketing dreams. Two teams, one saga, with little warriors stepping into a larger-than-life folklore.
An epic played out in a miniature coliseum, where Star Sports Warriors bowlers wove a web of intrigue around the Dream Cricket Drona Star Strikers, culminating in a display rarely paralleled in youth cricket.
Indeed, Isha, a chronicle of tenacity and turmoil with strikers holding the willow, yet it was the Warriors' armory that forged the pivotal moments, scripting an emphatic narrative.
Amidst the Star Strikers' inning, a tapestry of despair was woven, as wickets fell in quick succession, none standing tall against the Warriors' relentless onslaught. A daunting total eluded their grasp.
The Green Arena became a coliseum for Warriors bowlers, particularly Advik Hiremat, who emerged as the lion-hearted victor of this passage, claiming 5 scalps with precision and strategy that would outwit the most seasoned of generals.
Chasing shadows rather than runs, the Warriors walked in with calm confidence. Swarsa and Om stood firm, their partnership unbroken, turning the chase into a tranquil afternoon stroll.
A scanty target posed no threat. The Dream Cricket Drona Star Strikers bowlers attempted to defend but found no breakthrough. The duo of the Warriors batted with a composure that belied their age.
Hiremat's 5-wicket haul was nothing short of Herculean, a performance etching his name in the annals of this youthful league. Swarsa and Om, the unyielding pair, deserve their accolades too.
The tale of this game is incomplete without the mention of these stalwarts. Advik's spell was a masterclass, defying the Star Strikers at every turn, while Swarsa and Om's unflappable resolve carried their team across the victory line.
Warriors celebrated, victors by 10 wickets, a testament to their bowling supremacy and strategic acumen. The Star Strikers, in their courage, found lessons that will define future battles.
A resounding win for the Warriors, a clean sweep that unraveled the very fabric of the Strikers' canvas. A vital introspection lies ahead for the Star Strikers as they regroup for the next encounter. A champion team will always beat a team of champions. Today, the Warriors embodied this ethos. We stand witness to a fable of teamwork and unshakable spirit that will inspire many a tale hereafter.
As the dust settles on the pitch, and the echoes of cheers fade into the twilight, this match will be recounted as one where the spirit of cricket triumphed, laying a foundation for these young gladiators to grow and conquer new arenas.